What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a quick demo here of how to update your wallpaper. So if we go into settings, go into clock and wallpaper, you can actually load your own wallpaper here. So in here you see this add new. I'm going to take this drive. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug this into the USB spot here. So that's plugged in right there. Get you a light. Boom. So that's plugged in. And now we're going to go to add new. And you need to make sure you put it in the root folder and it's a JPEG or BMP file. We select that file here. And then we start the import. And now we can select that and set it. Let's see what that looks like as the preview. There you have it. So this is how you can update your wallpaper to whatever you would like. I hope this helped somebody out. If you didn't know how to do it, now you know. I'll catch you guys on the next one.